Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about logo inspiration. Okay, so when creating a logo, um, there are three main things that we should always keep in mind. To keep it simple, um, most logos are really simple. If you think of really famous, successful logos, they're really simple. For example, McDonald's is just a yellow M. Nike has just that mark of Nike, and Apple, Macintosh has a logo of Apple. So you can see that making the logo really simple is really important to be successful. Um, One thing that I think is that um, maybe creating a logo that someone can draw with a pencil and a paper is really simple and it's really good. People can easily identify and recognize that logo from far away or from different angles. So I think that's really important. Um, Next one is readable. Um, there's many different types of logo in nowadays, but there are a lot of logos that you can't actually read. Um, and first thing that people think is what does it say, and they won't really have a clue. But making it readable, um, they will instantly know what kind of company or organization is. They will immediately understand and have that idea and impact in them. So making it readable is really important. Make sure that you can read it in small size and large size, and from different angles. So that's number two. The last one is natural. Um, Logos, there are some that have many ideas and concept into just one logo, and it's just crashed into it. It's just forcing forcing the idea into the logo and trying to communicate through that logo, and it's not really natural. So um, maybe just one or two ideas are good enough, and make sure the logo is natural looking, not really complicated or forcing. So next we'd like to go through some examples found in the internet and discuss about those logos. Okay, so these are few of the logos that I found on the internet. The first site is called logofaves.com, and you can go through and there's many logos that they create. For example, um, this film center, you can see that it's really simple. It's just the chairs in the theater. So I think this looks nice. It's really simple, and even the words are readable. It's not really forcing a lot of concepts in it. Um, let's see, we can actually go through a couple of them. Um, I like this concept of environmentally friendly. Has this green of the image. I mean the environment of green, and friendly of using the making a tree of it. Actually, it looks like a cube also. Maybe this is a little too complicated. Has this dog kind of illustrated dog, but it's kind of hard to identify, and I think the text is kind of not that readable. It's a little hard on the eye. Um, I think I like the orange. It's really simple. You can see that Um, the orange has this O, so they could have even deleted this O and used this orange as an O and make that as a logo too. I think this is really simple and has this warm color. So actually you can go through and see a lot different of logos. I actually went through a lot of them and found some good ones, so I'd like to share those that I found. First one is World Air Charter. So you can see that um, the logo is really simple. It has the W for the World Air Charter, the world, and this swirling thing is like an airplane. So I think it's like a airline company can use these kind of logo. It's really simple and looks nice. This one is really simple. You can see that name is Boss Hunting, and if you first look, um, you can easily find the H, but there's also a B inside the H, and um, as I said before, this is really easy for people to just write it or draw it on a piece of paper with a pencil, and as simple as that is really is a good thing for people to um, always remember or recognize. Although this might be hard to recognize from a far place, it could just look like a normal H. But I really like the simpleness. This one has a concept of startup education as both startup of the mark of a startup like a computer starting up button, um, the logo, and education usually has the a concept of idea of Apple. So it has both concept in it, and I like the color too. It's really nice on the eye. So this one is really and it's really simple as you can see. This one has two letters in it, number six, and also the B for base, six base. So this is really simple. It's not really forcing. It's just giving the two alphabets, and also looks like a peace sign with your hand. This one is Electrocycle. It's a if you read the description, it's a electronic bicycle um, com company, and you can see the E and the C, and then for Electrocycle, and it's also a bicycle itself. So this is really simple, and the words are also readable. It's not really forcing, so I really like this design. This is one of my favorites that I found. Face to face. You can see there's two F's, and also there's a number 2 inside the F, the in between. So face to face, and this is also something really simple but really unique, and I really like the colors also. Um, it's really simple. I really like it. This logo is found in a different website. It's called Logospire, and I really thought that this is really readable. It might look kind of hard, but it's written Shift. It has the SHI, and some people might not be familiar, but this shape over here is the shift on cars when they shift the gears. This is like the mark of the where they put the shift inside the gear inside. So I think this was kind of unique, but really simple. 5 blocks. As you can see, there's 5 blocks. It's really simple, but at the same time, it's I think it's organized and readable, and I like the colors. Really colorful, but not too bright on the eyes, and it's really recognizable. People can just easily recognize the logo. The last one is called Second Fish. and you can see there's two fish going opposite directions, and also the S in the middle. So it's not really forcing anything. It's um, just just logo is just talking about the company's name. I mean the logo's name. So I think it's really nice and really simple. Simple as that is really good. So I hope you learn something and get some inspiration from these logos, and you can also go online and check out other logos. There's many logos that logo designers have created. So go and get some inspiration, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much.